Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we will present about online webinar which is in course Building Business Network on code PBS2093. This is our group member, which is me is ATIKAH binti Muhammad DASUKI, AQILAH binti NOORHAMIDI, AISYAH binti Muhammad NAZRI, Muhammad SYUKRI bin Muhammad YUSOF, and lastly SYAMIMI NABILAH binti SYAMSUL REZUAN. We from section AB6.36. Good. Okay, this is our member. This is AQILAH in ID number BGJ2002 10341. Lepas tu, me is BGJ2002 11059. ALYA BGJ2002 10332. SYAMIMI BGJ2002 10510. And lastly, SYUKRI BGJ2002 11256. Okay, introduction. Our webinar in topic benefit skincare for our skin. Date on 9 June 2022. Time 2 PM until 3 PM. Platform live Instagram. Okay, Glow and Go shop that's selling a serum kits and care. We provide a benefit of serum kits and care and give a hack tip for someone who doesn't know about skincare routine. We expect 30 participants will be join this event and our duration will be around 50 minutes from 2 PM. Will be around in 1 hour from 2 PM until 3 PM. In this event, it has 5 hosts need to handle, which is marketing coordinator, project coordinator, management coordinator, equipment coordinator, and lastly financial coordinator. We also provide a Q&A session entitled How to Manage Your Step Skincare and Their Problem Skin. This event is designed to assist anyone who does not know how to take care of their skin properly. In addition, in this event, viewer can learn something new, like in the field of facial skincare, which is very important and people need to care about it because many people are not confident with their facial skin problem. And lastly, the benefit of our event, people can know their skin type and also they will be more aware of skincare steps and the benefit of serum kits and care that contain skin-loving ingredients like hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Okay, role of committee member. First, me, ATIKAH binti Muhammad DASUKI, as a management coordinator which divide the tasks among each member, combine report until report complete, talk about skin type on Instagram Live, and lastly conduct Q&A session. Next, AQILAH binti NOORHAMIDI as marketing coordinator will spread our poster on WhatsApp and Instagram, do the poster, talk about skin problem on Instagram Live. Then, AISYAH binti Muhammad NAZRI as the equipment coordinator will provide the necessary item when Instagram Live, explain about skincare step on Instagram Live, and do the slide presentation. Next, Muhammad SYUKRI bin Muhammad YUSOF as the financial coordinator who is responsible to count expenses incurred, do the tutorial skincare on Instagram Live. And lastly, SYAMIMI NABILAH binti SYAMSUL REZUAN as a project coordinator, talk about benefit of skins and cat serum on Instagram Live and conduct Q&A session with me. Webinar medium. Instagram Live is the tool that we use as a platform for our online event. We broadcast our performance live on the platform. This is really advantageous for us since we may avoid becoming infected with many viruses that existed during the COVID-19 pandemic by participating in this virtual event. Furthermore, this can make it easy for us to accomplish it anywhere and at any time. We may offer suggestions for attracting more attendance to our virtual event by using the live Instagram. In the meantime, you can do your part to build our bond. Okay, this is a promotion process. Promotional material are vital in every event that the organizer want to host in order to attract more people to join the event. Therefore, to attract and invite them to join the webinar organized by Glow and Go, we made a decision to make a few promotional material. The promotional material used for this webinar were promotional poster, include with poster, WhatsApp, and Instagram. First, poster. We post our poster on Instagram story and Instagram feed. This material enables us to spread the information in an interesting way. It did mean the interesting design of poster can attract people to learn about the information stated on the poster. People who were following Glow and Go could notice the post easily. The poster included a few important details of the webinar, such as the name of the webinar, which was Benefit Skincare for Our Skin, date and day of the webinar, which was on 9 June 2022 on Thursday, medium that we used for the webinar, which was live Instagram, and time of the event, which was from 2 p.m. until 3 p.m. The second promotional process, we use the WhatsApp. We use WhatsApp to spread the promotional statement of the webinar to other WhatsApp group, which consists of our personal contact and also a WhatsApp status. It freeware application which can be installed on mobile phone, tablet, and other computing device. It can be used to send text message, image document, user location, audio, video, and other media file. Next. And lastly is Instagram. Okay, our official Instagram profile of Glow and Go. Instagram was our main platform for us to promote our online event to public, since our platform for webinar is Instagram Live. Our Instagram have 103 followers. It will be much easier to attract people from public to attend and alert with our promotion of our online event. We create this Instagram to intend postings such as photo and benefit of the serum, how to use it, price, and else. And also, we choose Instagram to run our promotional strategy because many people use Instagram for social purpose, and it is easy to use compared to Facebook page, which require many forms to fill during the registration of the page. We posted our poster on Instagram story and Instagram feed. We choose Instagram to promote our online events since most of our target audience was active on Instagram, and because of our online event will be on Instagram Live. People we were following Glow and Go could notice the post easily, and the possibility of them to share with their friends were high since Instagram allowed users to share media through direct message. That's all from me. Next, I pass to Nur AQILAH to continue the presentation.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. Now I will continue with the speaker. All remember our speakers for our live event. This event about benefit skincare for our skin. Our tagline is looking for an easy and refreshing daily skincare routine. No Atikah Binti Muhammad DASUKI, which she will be the first speaker to introduce our live and will explain about skin type. Next, AQILAH Binti NOORHAMIDI will be the second speaker to explain about what are type skin problem. Furthermore, Muhammad SYUKRI, then Muhammad YUSOF, and AISYAH Binti Muhammad NAZRI were given the task to do together how to wear skincare properly. AISYAH will explain about steps skincare and benefit of skincare such as toner, moisturizing, sunscreen, and serum, things and types. In the same way, Muhammad SYUKRI will do the step skincare what AISYAH said about how to use step skincare. And lastly, SYAMIMI NABILAH BINTI SYAMSUL REZUAN will explain about benefit of serum cleanse and caps. There were a few reasons why we have been chosen as the speaker for the live event. The first reason was ATIKAH binti Muhammad DASUKI has experience about to manage live event. The experience that she has it means that she has high confidence level to talk to the public. She can deliver the message very well to the participant and it can simply understand by the participant who participate our event. Other than that, AQILAH binti NOORHAMIDI since she used to sell serum kits and cat on Instagram Live. She knows about skin problem very well, especially to people who don't know about skin problem. Meanwhile, Muhammad SYUKRI and AISYAH want to participate by doing skincare step and talk about the benefit of each skincare. AISYAH will explain each one of the skincare and Muhammad SYUKRI will take over by showing how to apply skincare properly. In the end, SYAMIMI NABILAH will explain about benefit of using serum kits and caps. She could give an perspective talk to the participants such as all the head tips that we provide on the live event. We only use to our committee member who have experience with benefit of skincare. The second reason was cost saving. Because of the event will be online, the cost will be in low budget. Since we agreed to stay on low budget for this online event, we decided to have our group member to be the speaker to talk at the online event. We all knew that if we take invite speaker of our event, it will cost us a lot. With this way, we will stay on low budget. Furthermore, the money could be used for other things such as pay for our item needed for the event. Lastly, we did not have to go through any complicated step like sending an official email and scheduling the speaker attendance at our live event. It will be easier for us to brief about the event since us already knew what to do instead of tell the invited speaker to do what and how to handle the event. Okay, next is participant. Webinar on benefit skincare for our skin are open to anyone. We intend to invite anyone whether or not they are KPTM students. This is due to the fact that the title we present is what everyone encounters, since not everyone is aware of the importance of skincare to our skin. We accrue all of our participants by pushing our poster on a WhatsApp group, Instagram story, and WhatsApp and Instagram feed that include our friends and relatives. Participants are alert and make time for our event because of the information we provide in the WhatsApp description and poster. Since we send a poster to the WhatsApp group 2 days before event and half an hour before the event start to remind them about the impending event, we are confident that we have attracted a large number of viewers to our online event. The majority of those who took part in our Instagram Live were close friends as well as family members. Furthermore, one of our Instagram business followers could be one of the individuals we don't know who took part in the live event we organized. There are 37% in total who have joined our live event. Next is during event. We start the event a bit late because we were waiting for the other audience to enter the Instagram Live. Starting of the event was introduced by Miss Atikah at the first speaker of the business live event. She greeted the audience and started to explain about what we're going to do in the event. Also, she explained to the audience about what the speaker will talk about. We get the audience from WhatsApp group and Instagram story because the day before the event start, we post the poster for promoting. So from there, we can get the audience to join our business live event, and they can reply our WhatsApp group directly if they want to know more information about the live event. Next, AQILAH explained the type of skincare issue and how to treat them in this session. As a result, the participants know what type of skin problem they have and how to manage them. She then went on to tell them about the substance that can aid them with their skin problem. She also discussed the advantage of the components. It is due to the fact that some people are unaware of the benefit of certain component or which skin type can benefit for them. Okay, next is SYUKRI and ALYA take over the live session. ALYA start to explain to the proper way on how to apply skincare routine with step by step, while SYUKRI show the step to all the audience. The highlight skincare for our group is serum from Kings and Cat. We share all the benefit of the ingredients they have in that serum. Mr. Muhammad SYUKRI took over the business life for their session. In their session, they share the way to apply skincare with tutorial. Next, Ms. SYAMIMI NABILAH will explain about benefit of serum Kiss and Cat. Serum from Kiss and Cat are designed to nourish, protect, and hydrate out your skin. Serum Kiss and Cat is a great next step after cleansing and before moisturizing. While SYAMIMI explained about the benefit of serum, ATIKAH is there together to show how the quality of serum from Kiss and Cat. Because SYAMIMI wants to show benefit of serum Kiss and Cat can absorb quickly into your skin. Serum are like skincare formulation and moisturizer. This makes a face serum an ideal first step in the layering process. Lastly, SYAMIMI and ATIKAH open some Q&A session for the audience to ask some question they want to know. From this question season, people who watch our Instagram live get more additional knowledge about serum from Kids and Cats. Besides that, participants also can know their skin type, use ATIKAH tips. Lastly, people in our live Instagram live can do their skincare routine properly and suitable skincare for their skin. That's all from me. Next, AISYAH will continue.
Okay, thank you, AQILAH. Next, I will continue with my part. SYUKRI, before. Okay, event detail. We are from Glow and Go shop. We are selling a skincare product. We also teach how to use in proper way and give more information about skin such as skin type, skin problem, benefit serum and tutorial skincare. On 9 June, we made the event about benefit skincare for our skin that held on Instagram Live. We expect that the participants will be join this event and our duration will be around 1 hour, which is from 2 p.m. until 3 p.m. In this event, we'll have 5 hosts need to handle which event director, project coordinator, marketing coordinator, equipment coordinator, and financial coordinator. We provide a Q&A session to attract audience, make the live more fun, and to solve problems that are on the mind viewers. Besides, viewers also will be able to learn something new in that live where we will share the best tips on how to know your skin type that everyone needs to know. Okay, next is for evaluation. This is our Google form for participants to evaluate our live event. The question that we provide for them such as name, gender, email, and skin type. We gave this survey form at the end of our live event for them to fill in the blank. These details were important for us in order to recognize who attend our live event. From the Google form, the total we got in this survey is 36 respondents. Okay, next. With 75.7% of female and 24.3% of male who attend our online event. Okay, then with the question, what is your skin type? The most voted is combination with 35.1%. The second one is dry with 27%. Oily got 18.9%. Acne got 13.5%. And the least vote from normal is 5.4%. Next, for the question, how satisfied were you with session content? Got 29 response for excellent and no vote for feeling poor towards our session content, which is that's good. Then for the question, how satisfied were you with our event? Same slide. Got 25 response for excellent and 5 point and 12 respondent who vote 4 points. Okay, lastly, how satisfied were you with our logistic? For line, most of people vote for as marks for our line on the live event. It is because while doing this seminar, we had internet problem but not really serious. Also, communication skills, venue, activities, and closing ceremony got 5 marks with the most voted from respondent. Okay, next we move to the committee members. This is committee members. For Go and Go, the event director are all of us. Okay, and for marketing coordinator, AQILAH binti NOORHAMIDI. Next, ALYA binti MOHAMMAD NAZRI as equipment coordinator. Then ATIKAH binti Muhammad DASUKI as management coordinator. Muhammad SYUKRI bin Muhammad YUSOF as financial coordinator. Last but not least, SYAMIMI NABILAH binti SYAMSUL REZUAN as project coordinator. Next, I will pass to SYAMIMI NABILAH to continue this slide.
This is item needed that we need in our event. For example, the first one is mirror, cotton pad, micellar water, toner, serum from kids and cats, moisturizer, sunscreen, chair, table, ring light and tripod. Some of our items are available and some of it we have to purchase for this event. The item that we need to purchase is tripod. In addition, skincare, table and ring light are already, so we don't have to buy it. Next slide. For our event budget, is micellar water brand Simple is 22 ringgit 14 cents. Second is toner, also brand Simple, RM 60 ringgit 50 cents. Serum from kids and cats, RM 50 ringgit. Moisturizer icon is RM 25 ringgit 40 cents. 14 ringgit 19 cents. Last is tripod is RM 14 5 ringgit. Total for our budget is 116 5 ringgit 20 cents. That is our budget for all items that we need on our live event. Since some of our item needed is already at home, we don't spend so much of our money on the items. Next. Next, I will explain about proposal and actual event. The original Gantt chart was prepared with 5 processes involved, which each process is specific or special task to finish each of them perfectly. The process involved were planning, research, performing, and follow-up. The discussion and preparing a proposal to record all the plans or idea of the webinar. Addition, the time taken to finish the proposal was from 25 May until 1 June. Our first discussion start from 26 May to 30 May was divided into 2 parts, which were from a team by responsible committee members for tasks and brainstorming the idea. On 29 May to 30 May, the team members discuss and select the right team members with the right task. The discussion was about thinking the suitable topic which needed all the group members to give their opinion about the interesting and informative topic since the webinar was run online so that participants cannot interact face-to-face with each other, and the possibility for the participant to get bored was high because the activities were limited due to the pandemic, which was the reason why we have to pick the best topic. The type of participant who should join the webinar and the objective of the webinar will also include during the discussion. This was because if we knew who should join the webinar and the objective, then it would be easier for us to discuss and study the right topic for them. On 30th of May was planned to decide platform for the event, and it only took 1 day to think that ideas. Next, we prepared the proposal from 26 May until 3 June. All this question was created by us about topic skincare. The purpose was to get know more about our audience skin condition, create event promotion poster on 7 June, and then we promote the poster to all groups so that they can join our live event. Besides the equipment that we need such as tripod, laptop, mobile data to improve the visual video quality were discovered during this process. Next, I will explain about postmortem. This was the first step of the last process which started on 11 June. This step required the members to think and study the outcome of the webinar such as its weakness and challenges in order to the performance and take corrective action in the future. Next is prepare a report. This step consumed only 1 day, which were on 14 June. In this step, the members needed to report all the information details required for the report before the event, during the event, and after the event. Next, make a presentation. The time used for this step was only 1 day, which on 14 June. For this step, a group presentation needed to give explanation through a video presentation. The presentation required the presentation to explain about the event that happened during the webinar. Lastly, is submit the report and video of presentation. All of the steps has been finished. The group was required to submit the report and video of presentation on 14 June, which is the same day as prepare project presentation video. Next, I will pass to Muhammad SYUKRI.
Alright, thank you, SYAMIMI. So I will present the actual event Gantt chart. So as we all can see, we get the assignment from our lecturer on 23rd of May 2022. So we can refer to the indication exists. We start dividing work. Azan. Ya. Boleh pause tak? Record. Pause ke tadi? Record tu. Hello.
ATIKAH.
Tadi pause ke tak pause? Record tu. Enggak dengar. Sambung je. Okay. Start dari awal balik lah. Alright, so thank you Syamimi. I will present about the Gantt chart of actual event. So as you all can see, the Gantt chart here, we get the assignment from our lecturer on 23rd of May 2020. So as we all can see, we all can refer based on the indication here. The green color is dividing work. So on that day, we start by dividing work, and the second method is division works with group member. So same, we start to divide the work to each other on 25th of May 2020. So next, make a discussion about online event. So we discuss about the online event on the same day. Next, prepare a proposal for an online event. So we prepare the proposal the next day on 27th of May 2022. Next, we submit the proposal on 29th of May. After that, we held the live event on 8th of June. After that, we ask our participant or viewers to fill in the survey form on 8 June, same day with the online event being held. Next, we prepare the report for the event. It took us about 3 to 4 days, and we submit the report on 15th of June 2022. And lastly, we have done our group presentation on the same date, 15th of June 2022. Right, this is our Gantt chart for the actual event. Next, so the challenges we face in doing this online event. So we divided it by two, before the event and during the event. So first, let's talk about before event. So the first challenge of our activity before event is deciding on an interesting topic to present for this live event. So we each of us have different and various of ideas and opinion. So it took quite some time for us to decide which idea is the best for us to brought the topic into our live Instagram live. The second challenges before event is struggle to discuss some aspect together, such as discussing proposals and doing rehearsals for this live event. Okay, so as we all know, we are on online learning. So each of us living far away. As an example, I'm in Seremban and they are all in Selangor. So we are quite difficult to discuss. So luckily we have Google Meet, WhatsApp to help us to do conference like this to help us discuss more easily and more easily and more smoothly. All right. So next, during event, the first challenge we face is to make sure that people have to join our Instagram live. So it's quite difficult to gather people to watch our live. So we we are prepared for that. So we, before the live event, we poster promoting our live event on WhatsApp status, Instagram story, and many more. The second challenge we face is trying to engage with the participants. So it's quite challenging because we can't see the viewer compared to this Google Meet, we can see each other, but live we can't see our viewer. So it's quite challenging, and we manage to interact with our viewer by asking them question, by let them ask question. So the challenge is quite smoothly faced. All right, so the last challenges we face during our event is difficult to find a silent place or space or suitable place to perform our live, because um, we 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 planning to meet at Bangi and perform our live together of the five of us. So it's the issue to choose where is suitable to perform the live. So um, to make it easy, we go to our campus and perform our live there. All right, for conclusion, first we got a lot of knowledge about how to use Instagram Live to our business event. So thankfully, by doing this online event, we learn to 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 use Instagram Live. Second, Instagram Live can be very useful for your business and should be a part of your marketing strategy. Yes, um, many users of Instagram, so we should make a good use of it by help Instagram Live and market our product there. Third, many people will be more aware of skincare steps and the benefits of serum from kids kids and cats that contain skin loving ingredient like hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. So by involving in our life, so they can learn about kids and cats that are so good for our skin. Fourth, the event could be managed successfully until the last stage. Okay, so we are so grateful. We held the Instagram live so smoothly. And fifth, the teamwork from each member made it possible to solve any problem arise because we would always exchange opinion and idea with each other. Yes, this is proof. As we all can see, our live, our event being held so smoothly, and is is the objective is what we say. The objective is success. The objective success. Okay. The last conclusion that I can give for our event is we were glad that we were able to share all contents that we have planned to the participants, since we really wanted the participants to gain something beneficial from this event. So yes, we able to share all of our content to them. And moreover, we also got to answer various questions from the viewers and help them to learn more about their skin and about their skincare. So I think that's all for conclusion. All right, that's all for our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.